So, let's now talk about problem 3, number 7. So, we are asked again to compute for the goodwill. So, this is our solution. So, the consideration transferred as given in the problem is 2,800,000. And then, the fair value of net identifiable assets acquired will be computed as follows. So, originally, ang nakalagay dyan, yung identifiable assets daw ay 4 million. And then, ang identifiable liabilities or original liabilities is 1,600,000. And then, galing doon sa additional information, magpapasok tayo ng ilang adjustment. So, the unrecorded patent with fair value of 100,000 will be an addition to the uh, fair value of net identifiable assets. Yun namang research and development is treated as the same, no? I-recognize po siya ni parent as an intangible asset at 160,000, so addition din po yan. Meanwhile, meron pang isa yung si entity A nagpaparenta daw kay entity B, no? So si entity B yung lessee, and it appears na yun daw kontrata is favorable to entity B. So that will be recognized as intangible asset by the parent at fair value of 40,000. So lumalabas, no, after adding the three assets, yung patent, research and development, and intangible asset from lease, yung adjusted fair value of the net identifiable assets ay 2,700,000. So, i-compare natin siya sa 2,800,000, our goodwill will be 100,000.